Dallas was loud.
No Levins?
Surprisingly loud. The modern-day shepherd gathers his flock on a mini ATV, and the herd respects that. Easy there, little guy. Once you're off your vehicle, you leave yourself vulnerable to the whims of the flock.
Whoa!
Who needs a fancy radio on the farm? All you need is a xylophone and some chickens. That is some sweet, sweet rooster riffing. She was great getting Roanoke down for his afternoon nap. There you go. Now she could only do something about those night terrors. It was at this moment he realized trespassing is never a good idea. Oh! Hey, go! There is so much to pay attention to when riding, but one of the most important things...
Watch your head.
Randy was too scared to ride a great big horse. He thought a little piggy might be more his speed. He was mistaken.